you are, and you're about to join the action.
2023. Another chapter in our storied legacy. This year has been a testament to our determination, facing headwinds right from the start.
A terrific start in the Mercedes.
We poured our energy into every race, guided by clear targets.
He's done it!
Through the victories and defeats.
It's what it is, that's racing sometimes.
Our joint spirit grew even stronger. Obstacles became opportunities as we relentlessly pursued the extra mile. Fueled by passion and driven by a shared purpose, we continued to push boundaries.
Hamilton is flying right now!
Inspiring others to unleash their full potential.
It's Mercedes 1 and 2.
In every moment, on every track, we embody the spirit of resilience and unity, writing a new chapter in our legacy.
Mega job, guys. Thanks so much for the hard work.
This is what defines us. Being the world's fastest family.